Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your console model and firmware. This determines which method works. Next, obtain and install a homebrew-ready bootloader such as Atmosphere with Hecate, or use a compatible online installer when supported. Once done, immediately perform a full NAND and save backup to an external drive. This protects you if something goes wrong. Make sure to verify backup integrity. Without it, recovering from errors becomes far more difficult. With Homebrew active, you'll use a theme tool like Theme Injector or a dedicated custom theme app from the Homebrew App Store. First, transfer signed or compatible theme files to the SD card path required by the app, commonly SD/switch or an app folder. Once done, launch the theme tool, browse to your file, preview to check alignment and icon legibility, then apply. If the app offers a restore option, use it. That lets you revert quickly if a theme misrenders. After applying, reboot the console to confirm the theme displays across menus and doesn't break overlays or icons. If you encounter crashes or a boot loop, immediately restore the original theme or NAND backup you created earlier. That's why backups are critical. If problems persist, reflash the bootloader or reapply backups using a PC-based recovery tool and follow boot logs to identify the faulty file. Keep calm, systematic rollback fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.